Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix blurry text or graininess on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you feel like your display isn't in its best shape, it feels blurry or grainy, it might be because of the new privacy screen feature that you have enabled. So what that feature does is it pretty much uses the two pixel layers that are on the phone to create this sort of privacy screen protector. So for example, the viewing angle is now much smaller, and the people that sit next to you can peek at your phone. So try disabling that option by going to the control panel and clicking on the privacy display option. And you will notice your screen might become brighter, and it will also become much clearer. And what you can also try doing is going to settings and then scrolling down to display, scrolling down again to screen resolution, tapping on that, and selecting the highest option, so QHD+, and then tapping apply. And this is pretty much the max sharpness and quality that you can get on your screen. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.